While no two jobs are created equal, the RIDGID RP 342XL is built for them all, for any material and every size. From half-inch pegs and copper all the way up to 4-inch carbon steel, it can press it all, securely and quickly. The RP 342XL is the most versatile press tool on the market, with all the attachments you need right at your fingertips. Here's what to expect. The RP 342XL is compatible with the widest range of accessories, including the StrutSlayr strut shear head and the PressSnap soil pipe cutter. You can operate it as a standard tool for normal fittings or use the quick switch collar to transform it into a powerhouse for extended applications. The barrel jaw head has a 270-degree swivel for easy access to tight and hard-to-reach spaces, plus an LED light to help you see through it all. And it's filled with intuitive red, yellow, green indicators for real-time status notifications. The RP 342XL runs on an 18-volt advanced lithium-ion battery with 20% increased power efficiency versus our prior battery platform, giving you more presses per charge. And did we mention it's fast? You can press up to a 4-inch carbon steel pipe in 10 seconds, thanks to an extra powerful hydraulic ram output of 7,200 pounds. The RIDGID RP 342XL press tool. One tool, any material, every size. To learn more about the RIDGID RP 342XL, visit ridgid.com/RP342XL or contact your authorized RIDGID distributor.